Yo, what is going on? Good morning, this is Andrew, known as your Georgia Pip Catcher Administration. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like this, subscribe to the channel, keep us motivated, put this shit out every fucking day, baby. We got something pretty interesting going. Let's get into it, baby. So, if we look at what's happened overnight, we've been selling off, after this rally. We had this double top resistance. Guess it's rejecting that double top resistance. One thing I do notice is buyer liquidity wasn't fully grabbed above that 1.36050 zone. On the hourly chart, we got this crown-like pattern. Bears are in control right now. They still are in control. So we're not looking to do anything in this hour at least, because I do believe that we want to continue moving down towards that level right there. Right, so on a 15-minute chart, like I said, all seller liquidity is below that crown neck right there, so we're looking for potential bear traps to that level over there. All bullish liquidity is above this right shoulder right here, so there's a possibility that we see bull traps above there if that happens first before we take seller liquidity down there. It's 9:25 right now, so we'll be back in about 15-20 minutes when we have a little bit more price action. Like I said, bears are still in control. I do think that we're going to drop below this 280 support level, probably trap bears, and then probably look for that buy opportunity up to the right shoulder when it sets up. So we'll see you guys in a bit, and let's go. As you can see, price is still dropping. It's 10:04 right now. Liquidity is not grabbed yet. We're waiting for a reaction down here, and then we'll see what's good. Let's go. Alright guys, if we engulf this wick right here, we're going to take that buy opportunity up to this 550 high into this trend line. So if that happens, we're going to take the buy now. Other than that, we're waiting for seller liquidity down here. We did get this bear trap right here, so there's a possibility that we do bounce and move up to that level now. But right now we're not doing anything until we get this engulfing. So we'll be back when we have this engulfing, and we'll see you guys in a bit. Let's go. Alright guys, we're taking the buy opportunity right now. We're holding it up to here into this trend line. Our stop loss is going to be below this level right here. So about actually we're going to put the stop loss under here because there's a chance that we do move down to there. And then our target is going to be up here. Alright, we'll see you guys when this thing hits the fucking target, because it's gonna hit the fucking target. Alright, let's go. Peace. Alright guys, as you can see, target's almost smashed. We're gonna get out of position now. Other than that, this is a good Monday. It is what it is. Alright guys, we'll see you guys in a bit. Make sure you like this, subscribe to the channel, keep us motivated, put this shit out every fucking day. Love you all, take care, bitches.